Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today we present you 50 beautiful retro historical photos. We hope you will appreciate our work. Write your comment and click the subscribe button. Enjoy the show, and here we go. Unusual photo from 1980s. Photos of girls and guys in swimsuits. Why do you think they did it? November 1939. Farmers looking at their checks outside tobacco warehouse after auction sales. Durham, North Carolina. The Sunshine State circa 1897. A Florida home, Seville, Florida. May 1939. School students in typing class. Ashwood Plantations, South Carolina. July 1942. Washington, D.C. Sunday swimmers at the municipal swimming pool. New York, 1938. Convent on East 63rd Street. New York, 1938. A scene on East 62nd Street. September 1939. Students on steps of building between classes. University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill, Orange County. November 1939. Tobacco warehouse during auction sales in Oxford, Granville County, North Carolina. May 1942. Childersburg, Alabama. Defense Workers' Child in WPA, Work Projects Administration, Day Nursery. November 1939. Lunch stand and tobacco inside entrance to warehouse at end of auction sale. Durham, North Carolina. November 1939. Durham County, North Carolina. Cars parked along the highways on day of Duke Carolina football game, near Duke University Stadium. September 1939. Street on Saturday afternoon in Belzoni, Mississippi Delta. November 1939. Barber shop on Hillsborough Street. Oxford, Granville County, North Carolina. From around 1910, three lads in Pawnee City, Nebraska, you might not want to turn your back on. Marion standing by rocker and parlor is what's written on the envelope I found this glass negative in. It's from Glenmont, New York, circa 1910. Jean Yanni in a cute 1960s home photo shoot. September 1940. Mr. and Mrs. Andrew Lyman, Polish tobacco farmers near Windsor Locks, Connecticut. April 1939. Even the gas stations in Miami Beach are on an elaborate scale, often modern design, resembling hotels. April 1939. Miami Beach, Florida. Even the gas stations are on an elaborate scale, often modern in design, resembling hotels. April 1939. Coffee County, Alabama. Mrs. Peacock and daughter Mary, rural rehabilitation clients for 4 years, getting some of their supply of canned foods for dinner. March 2, 1937. New York City. St. Paul's Chapel and Churchyard, Broadway and Fulton Streets. June 1941. Hattiesburg, Mississippi. Getting a haircut at Camp Shelby. May 1939. Repairing automobile motor at the FSA warehouse depot in Atlanta, Georgia. January 1939. Bar in Belle Glade, Florida, for Negroes. May 1939. May Queen and Maypole dance at May Day Health Day, festivities at Irwinville Farms, Georgia. San Francisco circa 1920. Jackson 6 touring car at Golden Gate Park. April 1939. Collins Avenue. Entrance to one of Miami Beach's better hotels. Washington, D.C., 1923. Inventor C. Francis Jenkins with most recent invention, radio camera with which it will be possible to send pictures by wireless. June 1939. Community swimming pool at Greenbelt, Maryland. June 1939. Summerton, South Carolina. FSA home supervisor assisting wife and daughter of Frederick Oliver, tenant purchase client, in canning with new pressure cooker. September 1940. Sons of Mr. Britton, coal miner farmer near Falls Creek, Pennsylvania, and member of Tri-County Farmers Co-op in Dubois. August 1940. Daughter of John Yenser of Mauch Chunk, Pennsylvania. Spring 1939. General Scene, Main Street. Greensboro, Greene County, Georgia. November 12, 1942. Jap radio tuned in on U.S. Marine communicators found this radio set which was left behind by the Japs on Guadalcanal, and use it to listen in on U.S. broadcasts in their leisure time. August 1956. Southampton, New York. Teenage girl in record store. March 1940. Brattleboro, Vermont. Corner of Main Street, center of town after blizzard. Atlantic City, New Jersey, circa 1905. Beach bathers and steel pier. Circa 1908. Main Street, Buffalo, New York. Landmarks on view include Henger's department store. Circa 1905. Broughton Street, Savannah, Georgia. Starring the National Bank of Savannah. Cuba, circa 1904. The Prado, Havana. The Cuban capital's celebrated promenade. Circa 1908. Monroe Avenue, Detroit. One of the nascent Motor City seedier districts. May 1919. The NC-4 Curtiss flying boat, designed by Glenn Curtiss, at Rockaway Beach, Long Island, New York. The NC-4 was the first aircraft to cross the Atlantic Ocean as part of the U.S. Navy transatlantic flight attempt. American pop singer Madonna, 1979. Detroit, circa 1908. Detroit City Gas Company Building, Washington Boulevard and Clifford Street. September 1940. Farm woman holding one of her children in submarginal area of Rumsey Hill, near Erin, New York. September 1953. Singer-actress Doris Day on the set of the film musical Calamity Jane. June 1941. 5-cent hot lunches at the Woodville Public School, Greene County, Georgia. Brighton Beach, New York, circa 1903. Brighton Beach Hotel and Boardwalk. Bonus photo for you, a beautiful retro woman. Charming Samantha Fox in a beautiful dress, 1988. This is the end of our performance. We hope you enjoyed it and appreciate our work. See you in the next performance. Have a good day.